Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This video is about quick time setting for Timex Expedition Digital. So first, let's make sure we are in the time mode. It should look like this, but if not, then you can press the mode button several times until you get to the time mode. Okay, now press and hold the set button on the top left until it shows something like this, set on the top part of the display. Okay, and now it will flashes 1 or 2 on the right side. Don't change it. That's the time set or the time group shown on the main display. What you need to do is press the mode button. So now we can start by setting the hour. You can use these two buttons, so the start will increase and the stop reset will decrease. Okay, and then press the mode button and now is the minute. You can use these two buttons. Start will increase, stop reset will decrease, and then press the mode button. Now is the second. You can reset the second using either of these two buttons, but it will not increase the minute even if it is 30 or more. So unlike Casio, for this watch for Timex, it will only reset the second. Okay, and then press the mode button and now is the month. You can use either of these two buttons. So start will increase and stop reset will decrease, and then press the mode button and now is the date, also these two buttons, and then press the mode button again. Now is the year, also these two buttons. This increase and this one decrease. Press the mode button and now is the time format. You can use 24-hour format or 12-hour format, so whichever you want. Okay, and then press the mode button and now is this one is the date format. So you can use these two buttons to change the format, month date or date month. Okay, and next press the mode button and now is the hourly chime or hourly signal. You can use either of these two buttons, so this one will change on or off, and then press the mode button and now is the beep of the button. So if this is active or on, then the button will make beeping sound, but if this one is off, that means that the button is mute or silent button operation. Okay, let me turn on this feature for now, and then press the mode button. Now back to the time group or time set selection. And yes, after this, just press the set button on the top left and done. You have set the time that is shown on the display of your watch. If you want a more detailed setting for both time group on this watch, so this one T1 and then also T2 that is currently shown on my watch, you can check our detailed tutorial. I will put the link in the description. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and don't forget to click like, subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.